It's raining. Look at the guava. Look at the guava.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
You get?
Yeah. You like that?
Oh yeah.
You will eat that.
No. The birds
Why?
already eat this.
Huh?
So sad.
We didn't
It's
see
so
that
sad.
yesterday. Now last night they eat. Oh, so bad.
This is so big.
That is so bad. Yesterday, maybe if we saw that yesterday. Yeah, it's raining now. It's gonna, so we can. Oh, it's raining. It's raining,
Look at the
man.
mountains there.
Huh?
It's not gonna stop raining.
See? Rain na here sa mountain. Raining, raining na. Oh, look at that. Wala pa mi kahuman og lempyo. Here's the guava. Guava tree. Huh?
Take some videos at the grass. Looks so nice there now. After last night's rain.
Yeah. Nagwasing-wasing sa miki. Nami tubig sa ulan, wala pa mi tubig diri. Wala pa mi tubig, so magwashing sa mi og tubig sa ulan. Oh, oh, oh. Magwashing sa mi tubig sa ulan. Sa ulan-ulan. Ha?
Grass. I still need to cut that part.
Yeah, not yet done. Wala pa na human. Oh. Was sa diha. Pagwasa. Limpyo-limpyo na gamay. Wala pa na human. Ay, gaulan.